Welcome back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Is constantly an unhappy second why you come to the quit of the first-rate collection on Netflix? However, it's arguably extra miserable for lovers of Korean dramas who have been ready and looking for new episodes each week for almost months. Today, November 26th, the season 1 finale of Do Do Soul Soul La La Soul premiered around the sector on Netflix. Fans of the collection at the moment are thinking if the hit K-drama will ever go back for a second season, and if so, when. As Do Do Soul Soul has now no longer but been renewed, an authentic launch date has now no longer been revealed. However, we can make a few predictions for Season 2 primarily based totally on the manufacturing agenda for Season 1. The first script analysis came about in May 2020 and the collection becomes to begin with deliberate to most desirable in late August earlier than it becomes not on time till October 7th because of the coronavirus pandemic. Assuming that the collection becomes ordered up to a few months earlier than the script analysis came about, this will place the manufacturing agenda at more or less than 8 months. Assuming that the manufacturing for Season 2 accompanied a comparable agenda and that not one of the forged has different tasks coded up for the subsequent years, lovers ought to assume the collection to go back in July 2021. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. Go Ara as Gu Rara, Park Seo-hee as younger Rara, Mansoon's best daughter and heiress of Rara Cosmetics, a down on her good fortune however positive pianist whose skills of seeing the pleasant in humans and any state of affairs brightens and touches the lives of those around her. Lee Jae-wook as Sun Woo-jun, Shim Ji-wan as younger Jun, a mysterious and aloof albeit true-searching and heat-hearted soul who has his very own secrets and techniques and pains. While he continues his remote demeanor from others, constantly displaying his pleasant degree of alpha power, he reveals himself right away drawn, captivated and hooked via way of means of Gu Rara's superb and childlike charms. Kim Jo-hoon as Cha Yeon-suk, an orthopedic healthcare provider feeling the results of burnout syndrome. His voice and presence that would right away encourage trust are now no longer from others. A divorce who becomes as soon as piano skills, he additionally reveals himself interested in Gu Rara, marveling at her simplicity, strength and heat personality. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.